Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about the sub-directories. So the first thing that I want to say is that I'm really sorry for not uploading for about a few weeks or a couple weeks, maybe a month. I've been severely struggling. Actually, no, lol. I just had no microphone and I have to change microphones like 2 times. But anyways, also I want to say that I've actually changed IDEs because I really didn't think Replit was gonna do it. I really thought it was bad after like in it, especially I guess touch one, and I really just don't like more, and I guess ID still like, so we're gonna be that. So so if you use cogs, then here's how you would normally load them, like allow files. So so for file name in os.listdir cog, this just loops through every file in cog. And if the file name ends with .py, then we're gonna load the cog.load underscore extension cog.file name. But then I have one which is basically just two loops. So the first loop can just loops through every folder and here, and then this second loop loops through every file, and there's that is first loop. And if the file name ends with .py, then it's gonna load the extension called the folder. This is actually mandatory to put it in there because so when you loop through this, you actually have to load the extension once, so you here. I mean, basically this is how it's done when you call the file name. So you're gonna add another dot and then five, then you're gonna do folder. So uh now let's so I added the giveaway command here. So let's just go to the latest version of Nextcord. So don't worry about this. I still have old version. So so let me just do that real quick. Okay, so I'm back and I just installed Nextcord for a 10. So now test the let's test this. I mean, it's not mandatory to update the latest this. It works in older, and it does work in other AI wrappers, but only with like Export or they have cogs for. But anyways, so now let's go to Discord. So I'm just gonna go here and second. Okay, so now we are in Discord. So as you can see, the it's cycling, but that's only the main file. So let's try the giveaway. As you can see, there is a slash available, and it's giveaway command. So here we could go to giveaway command. That it was it was our last video. So here this is command and giveaway, and all of the hours are there. So now let's try. So let's say 10 seconds, and hug, and let's say a hug a good I only correctly. So let's uh let's let's just react, And as you can see, after exactly 10 seconds, it, it's loading the code. Congratulations, finished well. You just won a big. So it actually does load the folder correctly. It, but also disclaimer: if you want to load any files in Cogs and not in Cogs, then it won't work because it's only looking through every single uh every single file. There. So the fix this, we could just add the scoop right here, but I really won't be needing that, so I guess this. So that is pretty much it, guys. So I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.